Hey guys, Shishi here. Welcome back, cousins. Today we have another Brandon Blackwood unboxing. This unboxing is a little late because my grandmother actually passed. It was a very joyous celebration. She lived to be in her 90s, so no tears, okay? But yeah, she had passed, and literally the day after her funeral, I had my sinus infection, and you guys are very familiar with my 3 times a year sinus infections that I get, and I believe this is one of 3 for this year. So I'm a bit under the weather, but I prolonged this unboxing as far as I could. This drop, of course, came with a story because you know mama always do the story. This is a part of the crystals and metallics collection. This was kind of a secret drop, or not a secret drop, an unexpected drop. But my hawk eyes, she don't miss. So rewinded back to the spring summer 2022 collection, and you guys know I put my heart and soul up into those videos. So as I was gathering my intel for that video and finally got to see his stories, I saw that he reposted someone who went to the press release, and they did a little panning motion, and I was like, hold it. What's that? Of course, I had to screenshot it, and I ended up sending that to my girl, Carla Simon, also here on YouTube. And I was like, girl, did you see this? I was like, this isn't a part of the launch. So when the day came for the official launch, I just checked the website like tooth and nail just to make sure like he didn't slide any, you know, secret bags in there. So I was like, all right, we cool. So when the bags were finally announced, I already knew they existed because, you know, my creepers be peeping. If you are unfamiliar with Brandon Blackwood, you will get a lovely box, and inside you get your thank you card. I actually wanted to unbox this on my Instagram because I had just enough energy to post. It didn't quite work out before, you know, my sinus infection really took over me. So that didn't quite work out. So this is not really an unboxing, it's more of a reveal. But again, if you're unfamiliar with Brandon Blackwood, the new boxes do have the foam insert in it, and I still am in love with these brand new dust bags. So what did your girl get from the crystal and metallic collection? Look at her sparkle. Sparkle. It is the Syl bag. Listen. When I saw that little bit of the Instagram stories, I knew I was going to get this bag. Now, this bag did come in, I believe, 4 colors. This is Tanzanite gray. There was a green one, a pink one, and a blue one. And of course, your girl wanted the green one as well. But I was like, sis, you have mad green bags. You don't need another one. And I was like, you're right. So this is the Syl bag. This retails for $350. It's $200 more than the regular Syl, which was perfectly fine because do you guys see all of this sparkly goodness? Now this is a gray purple. So depending on how the light hits it, which right now is showing up very, very purple, but you know, in dimmer lights, it will reflect kind of on the gray side. A few differences that I did peep is that the strap is leather, the pull tab is leather, and there was also the addition of this luggage tag. Now, you guys know how I feel about this luggage tag in particular. However, it is completely removable. So there is a snap button. If you don't want that thing swinging and dangling, you can remove it, which I'm very, very happy about. And you can just, you know, go about your life like that. But listen, this bag is beautiful. I did not remove the stuffing, so it's completely stuffed. Let's try to do that. At least this part of the unboxing is 100% real. If you're unfamiliar with the Syl, I do have a whole review on that bag. I'm gonna link it up top and down below. But lightning round, you do have one slip pocket on one side, and then the back pocket is a zippered compartment, which the zipper does not have any sort of branding on there, which is cool. However, the inside of the bag does have the Brandon Blackwood logo, and I can't remember if they used foil before. I don't think they did, because I actually like this foil. Brandon, keep doing this. I think normally they just have it stamped. They never had it foiled. So please do that with all your bags, because I really do like this detail. I wants to see it. I wants to see it. And just in case you don't know, the interior is lined with micro suede. So this bag is just all the way, like, just gorgeous. This is a fantastic alternative, not a dupe, alternative to the ever so popular Prada re-edition bag. And if you're into the sparkles, she sparkles, she hits all the angles, and she's very pliable. It's something very different for my collection. I wanted something a little bit more fun. I wanted something that wasn't green. And I don't have any purple bags that I can recall in my collection, so that's why I actually went with this grayish purple. I am happy that this does lean a little bit more purple than it does gray. Y'all know this is probably my favorite bag from Brandon Blackwood, and I always said this is a bread and butter bag for him. Little fun fact, when I posted my unboxing of the Elizabeth and the Gina bag, Brandon Blackwood actually responded to me in the DMs, and yeah, we got to chatting, and I actually asked him about this bag before it was public knowledge that, you know, he was going to drop it, because I literally sent him the screenshot like, yeah, this drop is cool, but where are these bags at? He probably thinks I'm a psycho, but yeah, I was like, where's this? Where are these bags? I saw it. Where are they? And he actually said that they were coming. He never gave me a date, and I didn't want to tell you guys like ahead of time and get your hopes up or something like that, and it not actually like drop when it should or anything. I had no prior knowledge of the date, but I did know these existed because I may wear contacts, but my sight is 20/20. But yeah, I just really enjoyed this bag, and I cannot wait to wear it. I think it's a little beautiful evening bag, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Like, y'all know I'm not the girliest of girly girls, but this is just a little something for me to shine and sparkle. And now I can attach my grandmother to this bag, because she was just a sparkling joy of happiness who will be missed. And yeah, so big ups to Brooklyn, because my grandmother was from Brooklyn, okay? We was over there, we was out there. And funny enough, Brandon Blackwood, guess what? Brooklyn based. So it's a little bit of a full circle moment with this. This will be Virginia, aka Sugar Girl, in my collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.